What if I told you that one single discovery completely shattered everything we believed about Mars? For decades, Mars was seen as a cold, dead, lifeless desert, a planet that failed. But one discovery changed that story forever. Not a theory, not imagination, real evidence. Evidence that Mars was once alive in ways we never expected. Tonight, you're not just watching a space video, you're uncovering the moment Mars stopped being a dead planet and became a lost world. For most of human history, Mars was misunderstood. Early telescopes showed a red, dusty world, dry, cracked, and hostile. Scientists believed Mars had always been this way, frozen, airless, and incapable of supporting life. Mars was labeled a failure of nature, a planet that never stood a chance. No rivers, no oceans, no atmosphere thick enough for life. At least, that's what we thought. Then came the discovery. NASA's orbiters and rovers began sending back images that didn't make sense. Long, winding channels, delta-shaped landforms, smooth valley networks carved into solid rock. These were not cracks. These were not random. These were riverbeds. Flowing water had once shaped Mars, and water changes everything. Wherever we find water on Earth, we find life. From the deepest oceans to frozen ice sheets, water is life's greatest requirement. The discovery of ancient water on Mars meant something terrifying and beautiful at the same time. Mars was once warm. Mars once had rain. Mars once had rivers flowing for millions of years. This wasn't a short accident. This was a stable, living world. But scientists needed more than shapes. They needed proof. Then rovers discovered clay minerals and sediment layers, materials that only form when water sits for a very long time. Not floods, not brief melting, long-lasting lakes. One crater alone showed signs of a massive lake that existed for thousands of years. Mars didn't just have water, Mars kept it. With water, stable temperatures, and chemical energy, Mars checked every box for life. Microbial life could have thrived beneath the surface. Tiny organisms could have lived in lakes. Mars may have been alive before Earth even fully formed. This discovery turned Mars from a dead planet into a crime scene. If life was possible, what happened to it? Mars was once protected by a magnetic field, just like Earth, but its smaller size caused its core to cool faster. The magnetic shield collapsed. Solar winds stripped away the atmosphere, water evaporated, rivers dried. Mars didn't die suddenly, it slowly suffocated. This discovery didn't just change Mars, it changed Earth. It showed us that planets can lose everything, that habitability is fragile. Today, rovers are drilling into Martian rocks, collecting samples, searching for fossilized life. The question is no longer if Mars was habitable. The question is, was it inhabited? And the answer may already be waiting beneath the dust. That single discovery, ancient water, changed everything we thought about Mars. It transformed a dead planet into a lost world. And one day, Mars may tell us the greatest secret of all.